For this video, the seller sent over this really cool monitor desk mount. This is great for those who want to keep their desk nice and organized, as well as being able to just kind of place this computer monitor at whatever angle that you want it. Now the construction of this is really nice. It does have a nice solid metal frame. You do have a plastic piece here, which is part of your cord management system. You can actually take this off, place your cords in there, keeping them nice and organized all through the frame. And it does have another mount down below with some screws that you're gonna wanna take out, be able to feed your cord right through there, and you can just place those screws back in. Now this mount does fit computer screens from 13 to 32 inches and does have a bracket here that's a 75 by 75 millimeter and a 100 by 100 millimeter. So you're gonna wanna check the back of your monitor screen just to be able to make sure that this one's compatible with it. There are two different ways that you can install this. It does have a nice C-clamp on here that just sits nice and secure on your desk, and it does have some padding on there as well just to help prevent any scratching on your desk. Or if you're looking for a more permanent solution or just want to place this in a specific area on your desk, it does come with the necessary hardware. So you're just going to kind of drill a hole through your desk, place this screw in there, and just kind of tighten it up from the bottom. And once you do get this mounted on your desk and your monitor screen placed on it, there are a few adjustments that you're gonna wanna make. So to make sure that your screen is not drifting up or down, that it is just really nice and smooth, there is an adjustment knob right here that you're gonna use an Allen wrench, just be able to tighten that or loosen it as needed. And there is another screw in the back here behind the monitor, and this one is for your tilt, so you're gonna be able to tighten that down just however you'd like it. So what I love about this monitor mount is not only does it tilt up and down, it does go side to side, and you can rotate it up to 360 degrees as well. So overall, this monitor desk mount is perfect. The cord management system is just so aesthetically pleasing to the eye, keeps everything nice and organized, and the adjustability of this monitor mount is perfect, being able to place it wherever you want on your desk. So if you're looking for a really nice monitor desk mount, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.